FLW offers expert repair services for your Haskel pumps, boosters, and amplifiers. Looking for a reliable Haskel repair facility? Look no further. FLW is an authorized Haskel repair center.
They quickly diagnosed the issue with our Haskel amplifier and had it running like new.
FLW's fast turnaround and huge stock of parts minimized our downtime.
Why choose FLW for your Haskel repair needs? Factory-authorized, only factory parts used by factory-trained technicians. Well-stocked, immediate access to all necessary Haskel parts and kits. Experienced, trust in FLW's hands-on experience. Competitive pricing, get the best value for top-quality repairs. Swift turnaround, minimize downtime with our efficient repair service. Full support, benefit from our Haskel specialists and engineers' insider knowledge. Our comprehensive service includes meticulous examination, detailed evaluation report, thorough testing post-repair. In need of a quick Haskel repair? We're happy to help maintain your equipment in top-notch condition.